Hey guys, just picked up some of these cup holder liners. I have to say they're really nice. They're a little wet though because I just washed them off, but they are a really perfect fit. They're easy to clean. You just take them out and hose them off. Really nice. You get one for the cup holder here. You get one for the cubby and the dash. And then all the door pockets get a little liner. Really nice. Very simple. Nice design. You can get them trimmed in like red or white. I just chose the all black one to blend in. I'll put a description below of where I got them at. I think they were about $20, but really nice. Protect the doors from spills or anything. Just take them out, clean them. It's always a pain to clean these pockets. If you don't have any liners, you have to scrub them. So easy. The little details. Again, I think they're about 20 bucks, but I'll put a link below of where I actually got them. I got them through Amazon. Something I think the car actually should have came with. Thanks, guys.